Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have my sister here and we're gonna try to make mangonadas. So we've never made this before. We just looked at some recipes yesterday and based on what we remember, we're gonna try to make mangonadas today. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is you wanna grab a mango.
And wash it.
You're gonna cut them up and you're gonna peel them, and then, you don't have to do this, but I kind of wanted mine to be like extra cold. So what we did this yesterday, but what we did yesterday is we froze the mangoes. So we cut up 2 mangoes and we froze them and we sliced them and they're in here. So that's what you can do. You don't have to. This is just like an extra step. We are going to be using fresh mangoes for like the toppings. Okay, so we're going to grab maybe what, like
the bag?
Not the whole thing because that's a lot, but we're probably going to grab like, so we're just going to put in like what, half a whole mango in there, just frozen mango. And then we're going to put some ice cubes. I think I'm gonna put this whole like tray of ice cubes.
That's a lot of ice.
And then my sister is going to add some mango nectarine. This is just like extra sugar, I guess you can say, and like extra liquid. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far.
What are you doing?
So I don't know, how much should we add? Do you want to add it?
To the one.
Okay, so I think we're gonna squeeze in like what, half a lemon?
I put the whole thing.
Well, yeah, like half a lemon, right? And then we saw some lady that put salt in it, so let's just sprinkle some salt in there. We don't have the lid, well, we couldn't find it, so we're just gonna use this and we're just gonna blend. So we ended up adding a little bit extra water, and look, you guys, it's like perfect.
Can I try it?
You see that?
Ooh.
Look.
Can I try it?
Okay, so now that we finished the mango slushy, we're going to cut up a mango. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I feel like this is just extra, but this is just gonna be like mango decoration. So I'm gonna add some, what is this called? Chamoy?
Chamoy.
So I'm gonna add some chamoy on this plate. And then she used lemon to rim hers. I'm gonna use chamoy to rim mine.
That would be so much smarter. Nice.
So this is so you guys can get a better view of what we are doing. Okay, so I'm gonna start with mine. You guys look at that. Okay, now we're gonna add in some more mango. Or should we add tahini first?
Tahini.
Tahini on yours too?
Can I put that?
Yeah.
I don't want a lot like you.
I'm gonna sprinkle some mango on mine. I'll sprinkle some more because yeah. Then I'm gonna take some lemon. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of lemon on mine, a little bit more tahini, and then I'm gonna finish it with some chamoy. Okay, now we're actually gonna try them and to see if they're even good. I think it's good. I just feel like if you put them in the freezer a little bit longer, like before you decorate it, it could be a little bit harder because right now it's like more like a watered down slushy for me.
My head hurts already. I took a big sip.
I feel like if you add sugar to it, it is gonna bring out more of that sweetness. So you guys, so me and my sister, we decided to make the rest of the frozen mango, and instead of putting them in those like glass cups, we decided to put them in these plastic ones. And I think these are actually a lot better. So yeah, we did that. And I feel like if you actually leave some room extra, then you're able to put some like more mango, like chunks of mango. Anyways, that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys try these, one thing I can say is, yeah, definitely add some sugar if you want it to be a little bit more more sweet rather than mango con chile kind of vibes. I don't even know what I'm saying.